Hey guys, it's Bucket. Guess what? Today we're gonna build this landing page. Okay, so now what do we have here? As you can see, we have two sections, the left column, the right column, and the other right column. So this column is gonna be inside this column. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna build this navigation here. So I'm gonna do the coding for just this navigation with this image. This is our page. Left column, right column. I'm gonna comment it, like place comments, so I'll know exactly where, which section. Where I have sections like the left column and the right column. So I'm just gonna do like a brief comment. All right. Inside the left column, we're gonna add a navigation with 3 anchor tags. And this right here, I'm gonna use a heading tag instead. You can use span, but I'm gonna use a heading tag. I'm gonna save this. Yeah, as you can see, we have our skeleton. So if it's left for us to edit it, but I'm not gonna edit it now. I'm gonna do the right section, this part and this part at once. So let's get to it. So now we've done the right section, this section, we've done this section and this section. So now I'm gonna go straight to the CSS and try to style the whole thing. So let's scroll down. Oh, I'll have to save it. Now, as you can see, we have images. So it's left for me to reduce the size. So yeah, I'll use them commented, so I'll be able to separate each section, and hopefully you guys could understand better. So I'm gonna proceed in styling the header and creating a navigation. So right here, I wrote flex, grow and shrink, and 50% basically is gonna split the page. This it's gonna split it from here, 50 on the left and 50 on the right, so we could adjust each image or each content within it. So I had to give it a position of relative. I'm gonna save it. As you can see, the images that were down here had to flex to the right side of the page. So I'm gonna go ahead to reduce the sizes of the images and work on the left side. We have the right column. So we have the play button image and the right side. Oh, we have the play button image and we have the icon image. So let's go ahead and reduce that both on the right sides. Icon holder image. I think let's give it a height of 20 pixels. Never save it. Here they are, the small. So now we have the page. It doesn't scroll anymore. So now I'm gonna work on the left side. Before I forget, I'm gonna give the left column this. I'm gonna give this logo Nike a class. So I'll be able to select it, save it, get back here. All right, let's keep working on our navigation. Give it a text transform to make everything capital letters, uppercase. Set the spacing of 6 pixels. What else? I think let's work on the font size. 0.80 rem. I like using the rem unit. Font weight 600. Margin So basically, what I did here was I'm gonna add an anchor tag here because all of this, if you wanna work on the anchor tags, so I'm gonna work on the navigation now. Sorry, I think I'm rushing for no reason. All right, I'm gonna split flex. I'm gonna give it a height. Flex start. Sorry, flex end. It should be on the right. And some pattern. .5 RAM. All right, so I'm gonna reduce this logo image. Save. All right, this is very small, so I'm gonna increase it. I think it's small. I'm gonna make it 70. All right, now I'm gonna flex. I'm gonna give it a margin right auto. Yeah, margin right auto. And boom, satisfied. Let's get this done. The Nike. Here is the NI. It's left the KE. And here is everything. Basically, that's all with the left section. As you can see, guys, we have the logo done, the navigation done, and we have this snag done. So now let's get to the right side. I'm gonna start by working on this button. Then I'm gonna add this image. Then we're gonna tackle this side. What else? I think basically that's all. All right, let's get to the button. It looks so small. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna increase it. I'm gonna increase this icon size. It's small, I feel. This is a color I use here. This color. Here it is. I'm gonna display flex. I'm gonna move this here so you guys can see. Okay. All right, we're gonna work on the div. Display button is inside div, so I'm gonna give it a 50% border radius to make it round. Sorry, guys. Pixel height. A4A. Transform. So apparently, yeah, the shadow is way dark, because if you look at this, it's like reddish, like soft red. So I'm gonna replace the shadow. Let's save this. You see, it's kind of similar to what we have. So now I'm gonna work on Rihanna's image. Gonna give it a background, but before 100% width and height then. I don't want to give it Rihanna. I want to put something else, guys. I'm sorry. You can put whatever I like, anything. But just imagine, right? You have Kratos, the God of War, as your Nike model. Wouldn't that be crazy? We're gonna give it a cover. So let's save this. Here is what we have. Kratos. Yeah, I think it's cool. I don't know, maybe. Or I may as well put Rihanna. I don't know, guys. But I'm just trying to make something different. So, all right, let me quickly decide. Let me do the right side. I'm gonna give it a width of 20% only. This side, he's got 20% now from here to here, like this. All right, okay. Let me show you guys what I'm talking of. So inside the right side, you have an icon holder. I'm gonna give it a background of 302 F2F, and we're gonna give it a height 50%. So basically, if I refresh, it's gonna be half here, and this part is gonna be a different color. So this right here is like right to the top, so I'm gonna give it a margin top. The icon holder image. Okay. Like 30 pixels. And as you can see, it moved down a little. So like guys, let's finish this part, the remaining 50%. The play but what is a play button image here? Sorry. I like organizing my work or else I will be confused. Okay, I'm gonna put image here. Okay. So after the icon image, we're left with two divs. So let's get them. One's called social. It's gonna have the remaining height of 50%. Gonna have a background. F0. This one. And it's gonna act like a parent. It's gonna be position relative. Save this. Yeah, got everything now. Yeah. Okay. And lastly, we have mm, 120 pixels and left. I'm gonna give it a -5 pixels, and I'm going to flex it. Put the space between, and we're gonna rotate it to -90 degrees. And guys, I think that's all. What color does Riri have? She has white color. So I think I'm gonna switch from black to white here. If I save this, we have a working website of creators. So guys, basically that's all. It was a bit complicated, and I think I could have expatiated more, but with time you guys will understand. So for all this and more, see you guys next time.